Hi guys, it's dinner time and I have made cheesy pasta with leftover shredded chicken breast. It's super duper cheesy. Okay, eating it straight from the pan really hurts. There ain't nothing stopping me right now. I'm hungry. So do you remember when I got the Super Dicks from Lidl? It was Alpenfest and there was loads of new pastas in the pasta aisle. Is that cheese or what? And I picked up loads of bags. And this is one of them. It begins with the letter T. Can you see that they're like twisted? This needs to cool down. I actually felt like a lot of cheese today, so I put loads in. How was your day, guys? I did a deep clean session at my flat today. Oh my god, I was sweating. I have friends who claim to like cleaning. Does any of you guys like cleaning? I can't relate to that sentence about liking cleaning. I find it similar to when people say they like the gym. Like, I just don't understand what you like about either of those things. Because I genuinely feel like the people that say that are confusing the fact that they like the outcome of both of the activities, not the activity itself. But correct me if I'm wrong. Do you guys like the actual activity? Like the process of being at the gym, panting on the running machine, doing weights. Going layer by layer is really good. Guys, this tastes wonderful. And again, it tastes like I put butter in here, but I didn't. I wonder if it's the pastas. Guys, I'm like thoroughly enjoying this right now. I put loads of chili flakes and loads of black pepper. I put paprika, MSG. Mm. Mm. What else did I put in here? Mm. Mm. This tastes like so good. I'm starting to sweat. The cheese is not ending. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 I hate it when the cheese swings and flings onto your chin. Mm. 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 Yum. Mm. 2 more bites, guys. Like, thought I had a big portion, but clearly it was just right. Mm. Mm. Wow. I don't know, guys, like, I know you guys like watching the cheesy lasagna sheets, but that was like, I think that was the best pasta I've cooked recently. That was so delicious, like 25. My heart and my soul and my stomach is like hugging. Anyway, guys, that was 9 minutes of eating pasta. I hope you'll treat yourself to a lovely dinner. I might see you for after hours eats, or I might see you tomorrow.